So this is the house, what it looked like before the windows were changed out. They're really old windows from the 1940s with wood sash. My dad installs Energuard windows that are triple pane, and he brought them in one day. And Tim and my dad changed out the windows. When we stripped out the old insulation by the windows, there had been things like scarves stuffed in there, paper bags. Just back in the 1940s, they used whatever they could find, I guess. The guys had to strengthen the headers of the windows before they could put them in. And then they had to do the waterproofing membranes on the side. And then after that, they got to lifting the heavy window up.
There's something I've been living for, and I
might want your stuff down lower. I'm going to put mine right down because by the time we get kind of max out, you go up this good.
You've got your life on the line.
I helped by picking up after them. And then when I got cold, I warmed up in the garage with a fire. It was about -10 that day, so that's how we kept warm without having the heating going in the house. Wow, what a difference those windows make.
They say that life takes time, but baby, don't. They say that life takes time.
This time of day, the sun's coming in. So golden in here. Love all the sunlight. Looks so fresh and so good. I'm so happy with them, and they'll be very warm for the winter.